guys, welcome to another one of our videos. We've got a pretty exciting day today. I've got to go to work for a couple of hours, but from there we're going up to bigger waters and we're going back to the place where we got our Bundutec tent installed. For quite a while now we've been trying to figure out a way that we can have an extra bit of room and cover over the side of our rooftop tent, since we've upgraded from our Darchie, which swung over the side and created that with the annex room, to the Bundutec, which just goes straight up from the roof of the car, which doesn't have anything hanging over the side. Bundutec have recently released a new product, and it's an awning that attaches directly to the rooftop tent and covers over where you climb up. So that gives you a bit more of protection, other than a little awning that goes around the outside automatically as the rooftop tent is set up. That awning also has an additional room, and that room actually attaches to the awning and drops down, and it can give you that bit of privacy like we had with our Darchie Panorama 2. So we're really excited about getting this on and really hoping that it is what we're after. It looks awesome, the setup looks great, it looks super easy. So we're going to be getting that all done today, and we'll show you the process and show you what it looks like when it's done.
Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Sunny change in the atmosphere, architecture unfamiliar. I could get used to this. Oh, time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. South of the equator, navigator, gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Deep sea dive around the clock, bikini bottoms, lager tops. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. We got two in the front and two in the back, singing along, and we don't look back, 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 back. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be.
Well, the reason I suggest is using the ladder is you can reach right around the side, which you can't do from right half to the ground. That's why I say use the ladder. It just makes it a whole lot easier. You got these, but the other thing that the ladder does too, this has got a metal bar at the bottom. Okay, so when you unroll it, it stops you hitting your car with it. Okay? Yeah, it prevents any damage to your car. So that's the reason I always recommend doing it with the ladder on. In here, we have two of these. Okay, one goes in there. Slide into each channel. Okay, so you just put it together on your foot weight. But this will go back to somewhere on your tent, which will become more apparent when this is up. Okay. This comes out. And pops. There's a little hole there. That one there. And now I kind of recommend that you just sort of leave all that until the tent's up, okay? You don't worry about it too much. That should stay there quite nicely. Tent's all still unbuckled.
Yeah.
Okay. I put one end here just to make sure that it doesn't pop out while the jet's going up. But once it starts getting tight, it's not going to fall out.
So that's actually under tension now.
Yep, that won't come out now. Now, the idea of these is I'll use those clips. They're just there to give them somewhere to go. That's it. Okay, that's your.
So far, that's
Good enough.
yeah.
That's your roof canopy. Now, like any of the Polish awnings, okay, you do need to tie them down. Okay, but not overly tight. If you're staying for anything more than a night, of course you can go around, you can peg it down, you can do all. So once you peg it down, it doesn't need to be roped. If you're just putting the top, then you really need a rope to stop wind getting under it.
Yeah, I'm glad it reaches to the ground too. I was a bit worried about the length of it.
Now I'm confused on this one.
This?
Yeah.
Alright, what you do with this is make sure your 2 clips are undone.
Yep.
Okay, I personally. Do you want me to do it or do you want to do this off?
I'll watch.
I'll put this down. Hold your clip over. Okay, just get them off the car. Now, all you do with this, just get, so it's gone straight now. Now, take that off, pull that out. Sit it back on your ladder gently. Tie these into here. Okay, put that together.